By the Yard manufactures the highest quality outdoor furniture designed to meet the needs of senior living communities. Our maintenance-free furniture is truly timeless and built to last a lifetime.
For over 25 years, By the Yard has designed our furniture to meet the needs of senior living communities. With all of our products, there is not one thing you won't find that will be able to meet your community's needs. From planters to increase your drive-up appeal, to comfortable, stable chairs, but also tables that can be wheelchair accessible for you as well. And I could go on and on from there, but really our rockers, gliders, everything under the sun to meet your needs of your community. Another thing this last year has taught us at By the Yard is that your furniture needs to be able to be sanitized and cleaned. That's why our non-porous design can clean up any spills or messes that may happen, or those nasty birds that like to fly overhead. For 25 years, we've taken a ton of pride in making sure our furniture is made from all recycled products. That gives us the benefit of not only building beautiful furniture, but also had given us an opportunity to help save the earth.
We're keeping milk jugs out of landfills so generations to come can enjoy this furniture.
So when you buy your furniture from By the Yard, not only are you getting a sustainable product made from recycled No. 2 plastic, it gives you the ability to leave your furniture outside year-round, 365 days a year. That could be the hot sun of Arizona to the frozen tundra up here in Minnesota and everywhere in between. Not only does By the Yard have over 400 different products for you to choose from, but we have 9 UV stabilized colors. It's all used with the highest color concentrate available, ensuring you can match your furniture for decades to come.
At By the Yard, we are passionate about our mission to manufacture sustainable outdoor furniture, and we are excited to welcome you to our family.